Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash. To begin, you'll control an icon that automatically moves forward across the screen. Your main goal is to tap or click to jump, avoiding all obstacles and reaching the end of each level. The game features various modes like the cube, ship, ball, and UFO, each with unique movement mechanics. Mastering these basic controls is your first step to conquering the game's many challenges. Precision timing is crucial in Geometry Dash. You'll need to accurately time your jumps and movements to navigate through tight spaces and over spikes. Pay close attention to the different types of obstacles, as each requires a specific reaction. Don't hesitate to use practice mode. It allows you to place checkpoints and learn difficult sections without the pressure of starting over. This will significantly improve your performance. As you progress, focus on mastering complex jump patterns and sequences. Developing the ability to read the level, anticipating upcoming obstacles and planning your moves ahead is a key skill. The game offers an incredible array of user-created levels, providing endless new challenges and creative designs. Experimenting with these community levels will push your skills further and introduce you to diverse gameplay styles. Geometry Dash also lets you personalize your experience. You can unlock and customize your icon with a wide variety of skins and colors, making your gameplay truly unique. Don't forget to engage with the vibrant online community. Share your progress, find tips, and discover new levels. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These resources will enhance your overall gaming journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.